This time around, I'm actually not working on the Protege, although, as you can see, it's back on its wheels, so progress report on that here in a minute. This time, I'm working on the 30 for a change. HiroshimaSpirit! The goal today is to not need this anymore. A while back, I went on Amazon, I got myself a set of hood props, and this should be a pretty quick and easy thing. I mean, look at how thick the installation manual is. The weather is looking a little sporty here this evening, and my phone doesn't have much battery. I want to see if I can do it before it either rains or my phone dies. So the instructions here appear to, like I said, be pretty simple. I just have to come over here, pop this clip out on both sides of the felt heat shield for the bottom of the hood. I attach a bracket to the top of the strut tower. I attach a little clip nut and a go away dude, and a little threaded spherical ball guy that goes on the other end of the gas strut. Repeat on the other side. Should be pretty easy. It's pretty fun how they focus. It's pretty fun how they do this. This metal here is scrap. This is only used to locate that clip nut so that you can thread these guys in. It's pretty cool, and then once it's tight, you just pull it and that electrical tape lets it go. Kinda cool. Good job, China. Wow, I wasn't recording that whole time. What an asshole. Got them both out just in time for the clouds to break. Lovely. These nuts for the top of the strut tower, 14mm. Buzz those off real quick. Harbor Freight Special, baby. I have only charged this thing twice, and I've had it 2 years. It has enough torque to do anything. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so now what it looks like we want to do is we want to snake this guy up through that hole to meet here. If you look, there's a hole in the hood that we actually want those to attach to, so it'll actually be anchored, because that ain't doing anything. Before we can bus, we must first struggle. Oh, yeah. Take our 12mm ratcheting wrench. God, the lighting is horrible in this. That's pretty cool. Not too bad. Although, if these gas struts ever go bad and I need to take those out, there's no way to get that clip nut, and it's going to be rattling around in the hood. But it's too late now. Ooh, lightning. So yeah, basically all we're doing is lining up that clip nut, screwing this bad boy in, and tightening it down, just hand tight. Now, all that's left is to install the Kunseo-Kim Liftomat gas struts. That's it. I probably butchered that. Get in the comments and let me know how problematic that sounded. Come on, baby. Come on, man. I don't want to be out in the lightning. Ah! See, right here on the ball end, see where it's got little cross holes through it? There's a pin in there that you need to knock out before these will pop into place. Read the one-page instructions, believe it or not. So, alright, I get it. Huzzah! And there she is, installed. Cool. Pop on the other one real quick. There's that little pin I was talking about. See how it blocks the hole? Et voila! How hard is it to push the hood down now? It fights you a little bit, there's some resistance, but look, when you let it go, it goes up nice and slow. Okay, rain's ruining the shot now, so this project, over and done with. Big success. And now, here's something I hope you really like. As you can see, der Turbowagen is back. It's clean, shiny blue, and it's back on its wheels. It has a brake pedal again. It actually stops the car and it doesn't feel like a complete death trap going down the road. As you can see here, I did replace that brake master cylinder. I didn't make a video about it. It's literally a couple of nuts and 3 fluid lines, 4 fluid lines in fact, that attach to it. Like, there's nothing to it. It would have taken me 3 times as long to do a real quick job. And I bled the brakes. The pedal still wasn't feeling quite right, so what I did was get up under the dashboard and I actually adjusted the brake pedal itself. The push rod for the brake pedal, it goes into the master cylinder and the brake booster. It's threaded and there's a jam nut. You undo that jam nut, you thread it out, and you can adjust how the brake pedal picks up. It raised the brake pedal a little bit, and now it feels like a normal car. Like, moving that brake pedal a few millimeters was like a game changer. So from there, all I need to do is get a new battery, and like I've been saying for weeks, re-up the insurance and the registration, and then I'm going to be driving it a little bit more, so there will be content to be made about this car. So if you're watching this and you don't have your subscription bell on, make sure you hit that. Tell your friends that love old Mazdas and stuff. Like, I'm excited to actually finally, after most of my life, do something meaningful with this car. The backstory is on the channel if you don't know about this car. It's very special to me. First car I ever drove. Now it's mine. It hauls ass. Like, it absolutely hauls ass. Maybe I'll do a short. I haven't done like a proper like portrait mode. I keep wanting to call it a reel because of Instagram, but you know what I mean. So anyway, I just wanted to do that little update on the blue car, and I hope you guys enjoyed the modification in the rain of the CX-30. It is pretty cool, and it's inexpensive. You can get those on Amazon. The link will be in the description. I think they were like 30 or 40 bucks or something. Not expensive, and it took just a few minutes to install them. So anyway, that's it for me this time. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, come on, you bastard.